Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! What's going on? This is your daily motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, coming straight to you. And here is your quote for today. Make today ridiculously amazing. It's Friday. Hello Friday, how you been? We have another chance here to really make a mark on your day. Time to chase down the dreams, the plans and everything else that you're looking to do in this life of yours. Friday is a great day to start, just like any other day, so why not? Let's go make some magic happen.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.